In this video, I will show you how to unlock the full power of your processor and boost your CPU speed in Windows 10 and Windows 11, turning your computer into a super fast machine. Let's dive in and check it out. First, click Search on the taskbar. Then tap Power Options. Select Edit Power Plan. In the Edit Power Plan settings, click Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and expand Processor Power Management. Expand Minimum Processor State and set it to 0%. Then expand Maximum Processor State. Set it to 100%. Click Apply, then OK, and close the window. Next, click the Start button and tap Performance. Then select Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. On the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for best performance. Click Apply, then OK. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape. Go to the Starter tab to see all the programs that launch when your computer boots up, along with their startup impact. Right-click any app you don't use and select Disable to stop it from running as startup. 3 powerful ways to boost your CPU performance. If you found this guide useful, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to see more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.